Dr. Kevin here from the New Renaissance, and I'll be in your neighborhood this Thursday, September 27th, from 9 to noon. I'm putting on a workshop in Shelby Township, Dr. Mark Bassett's office. If you're watching this video, then you haven't purchased your ticket yet. Go ahead, see a handful of people this Thursday. Make a couple $100, and everything's going to stay the same in your practice. If, however, you're looking for some guidance and having each new patient that walks through your door be worth 3, 5, or 10-fold, that patient walking into the door of the chiropractor down the street, then move your Thursday morning patients till Friday and get your ticket. You now got a choice. If you're okay with being a pain doctor, seeing people for a handful of visits, okay with being bullied by insurance companies, see your Thursday morning people, go ahead. But if you've always suspected you have an untapped potential within and you're not too prideful or too stubborn to accept some expert guidance, this is your ticket to ride. You don't need any more information and software, expensive online advertising, sales, or how to close patients, add-on therapies, modalities. If you're ready to find out how to break out of your rut once and for all, purchase your ticket and move your patients to Friday. Check out the link below for more information about the workshop and how to register. And remember, there's a 100% money-back guarantee. What do you have to lose? This will be the defining moment in your practice. I'll see you there. It's Dr. Kevin. Thanks for tuning in. Out.